Hi, today we are going to be multiplying exponential expressions. So this whole unit is going to focus on exponents and how to simplify exponents. So today we are going to be multiplying. So we're going to see problems that say multiply something like 2x times 4x squared. So let's go ahead and draw a line down the middle so we can list our steps and show the work. So the first step you want to do is expand. And expand means you just want to list all the factors. So what multiplies to give you each of these? That's what we're going to list. So to get 2x, what do we multiply to get 2x? We multiply 2 times x. And then what do we multiply to get 4x squared? 4 times x times x. Next, we want to rearrange. We want to put all the numbers together and all the letters or the variables together. Step 2, rearrange. And that means put all the numbers together. And variables together. So we'll put 2 and 4 together, and then we'll put all of the x's together. There's 3 of them. And then our last step is we're just going to multiply everything together. So we take 2 times 4, which is 8, and then x is being multiplied 1, 2, 3 times, so that is x to the third power. So our answer is 8x to the third power. Let's do one more example. Let's say we have 5m squared times 3m cubed. So our first step was to expand or list all the factors. So what multiplies to give us 5m squared? That is 5. And m is being multiplied 2 times. So m times m. Then we need to list all the factors for 3m to the third power. So that's 3. And m is being multiplied 3 times. So 1, 2, 3 m's. Next, we want to rearrange. So we're going to put all the numbers together and all the variables together. And I always just do it from smallest to biggest. So we'll put the 3 first, and then the 5. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 m's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our last step is we're going to multiply it all together. 3 times 5 is 15, and m is being multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, which means that is m to the 5th power. So you guys now know how to multiply exponential expressions. Let's go ahead and look at your assignment. So in your workbook, you're going to be working on the assignment multiplying exponential expressions. Let's go through the first 2 together. So number 1, we have k squared times 4k to the third power. So we'll use our notes and we'll just follow the steps. So step 1 says expand, which means to list all the factors. So we're going to expand k squared. K squared is K multiplied 2 times, which is K times K, times 4K to the third power. So that's 4 times K multiplied 3 times. So that was step 1. We expanded. Step 2 says to rearrange, so to put all the numbers together and all the variables together. So the only number we have is 4, which we'll always put first, and then now we need to put the variables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Ks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Ks. And then we just do step 3, which says we multiply it all together. So we're left with 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Ks multiplied together, which gives us our final answer of 4K to the 5th power. We'll do one more together. Let's look at number 5. That one has a couple more variables. So there's 2 different variables. The first 4 only have 1. So it gets a little bit harder here, but you're still going to follow the exact same steps. So first, expand or list all the factors. So 4 times y times x squared, which is x multiplied 2 times. So we expanded the first factor, which was 4yx squared, and then that's being multiplied by 2x cubed y cubed. So now we need to expand that. So we have 2. X is being multiplied 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And y is also being multiplied 3 times. We're done with step 1, which was to expand. Now we're going to rearrange. So let's put all of our numbers together. We have 2 and 4. And then we're going to do our letters in order. So x comes before y in the alphabet. So we'll do x first, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. And then we'll do the y's. 1, 2, 3, 4 y's. And then our last step is to multiply it all together. So 2 times 4 is 8. X times x times x times x times x. That's x being multiplied 5 times, which is x to the 5th power. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 y's, which is y to the 4th power. Okay, you now know how to multiply exponential expressions. Go ahead and complete your assignment.